Hey my beautiful fairies, and welcome back to another video. This one's gonna be my absolute favorite one because I'm showing y'all how to take an old wig that we have used many times and turning that joint into a nice cute curly ponytail. This is not a limited video. You can turn any old wig into a ponytail by using the techniques I showcase in the video. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned. Now, I ought to be ashamed of myself because the last time I have done a short hair transformation was about 7 to 8 months ago. I know. This is how my hair looked 7 months ago. It was super short. I have a whole video out on my channel, so definitely check that out if you guys want to know how to get this look. But my hair was super short. I actually am like, dang, I really loved it being that short because the curls was so cute. But the hair is growing, okay? And we are embracing the growth. The wig I'm going to be using today is from my Wowafrican x Laurasia Andrea collection. This is that same wig y'all saw in my video maybe about 4 videos ago. This is a 13x6 HD frontal. I've had this wig about I would say 6 months at this point, so I have outworn this Girlas to the end, and then something clicked to take the bundles out of this wig and make her into a ponytail. Every single time I do my hair in this ponytail, everyone thinks this is my hair, and that is the achievement I am trying to get. So this is like week-old hair, and that was completely fine because usually I do this little ponytail when my hair is like old or I have a really old wash and go. So I just sprayed it with some rice water to wet the hair first, and then I put in this weightless leave-in conditioner. I've been using the brand Curlsmith lately. This is not a sponsored video from them, but listen, a lot of these products y'all about to see are from them. They have completely transformed my hair to no other. Like I said, this video is kind of old. It was maybe like recorded 2 months ago. So at this point, my edges have grown in so full. My hair is so full. I've been using all 3 of their different routines, from the scalp to the rice protein, as well as the moisture line, and all 3 is a 10 out of 10. I use all different products, so it's really no specific way of how I do the order of products because I use so many from them. But I will be doing different routines on my channel later on, so definitely watch out for those natural hair videos to come. So after I just pretty much combed everything in ponytail, I'm going to use this gel from Pattern Beauty and just mold my hair and slick it back and down. And then I'm also going to just comb those baby hairs out so I can do my sides as sleek as possible. Now I'm gonna take this mousse. Y'all have seen this mousse about, I don't know, a cajillion times at this point. It's my favorite thing for laying down my laces when I don't want a mess. And I also love it for my natural hair because it just sleeks my hair down so good and gives me that under the dryer tight look to my ponytail without it being super taut on my head. I just put that mousse all around and then just brushed it in, and voila! The hold is nice and sleek. I finally get that sleek ponytail look I've always wanted. Then I'm gonna use this edge control to do some baby hair swoops. It's so crazy because when y'all see my hair right now and how full my baby hairs are, it's so crazy looking back on this footage because they're so thin right here. Now I'm gonna just lay those baby hairs down with this wrap I got from Amazon. I will make sure all the products that y'all see in this video are linked down below in the description per usual. So this girl I gotta sacrifice some bundles, but we are not trying to take from her as a whole. We're only trying to take about 7 to 8 bundles in the middle of the wig. So I just pretty much sectioned off the point of the wig that I wanted to take out, and I wanted to show y'all how exactly I'm taking out the bundles. I just do every other bundle so that she can still have some fullness to her if I wanted to still wear her as a wig, but I can still get those bundles and have my ponytail be nice and full. The tracks are pretty thin, but ironically it doesn't matter because I only used 8 of these thin ass tracks and my ponytail still looked super full. So this is a leave-in mixture that I made. I'm using the Mael curling cream, and then I put it in some water in a water bottle, and I just mix that together, and man, it detangles and defines the curls like no other super quickly without pulling out the hair. So I just sprayed that in, detangled that hair, combed that through, and now we're gonna install the ponytail. So while these edges mold down and while this hair dries from the mousse and holds down pretty good, I'm gonna install the ponytail, and I'm just gonna take one end of the ponytail and take a small bit of the track of hair and wrap that in like a counterclockwise or clockwise motion. Whichever way that you start to wrap the hair in is the same way you wanna wrap the hair the entire way around. You always wanna make sure you're going in the same direction every single time, because if you don't, you're pretty much just going to be unraveling the ponytail and it would be absolutely pointless, and this video will have to just start all over again. So just take that one little small piece of the bundle and wrap that around the ponytail. Don't worry about the little donut bun. We really want that so that that can add some volume to the ponytail because it says curly hair, and we don't want the volume in the curly hair looking all flat and stuff. So then after you wrap around the small piece of hair, we're going to take the bundle track and wrap that around in the same direction, and just keep wrapping that around until we get to the end of the track. Do the same thing we did in the beginning and take a small piece of the bundle and just wrap it around in the same direction, and we're just going to do that every single time for every bundle that we have. And like I said, I only had about 7 to 8 bundles, and I did that basically 7 to 8 times. Okay, and now we're gonna define the Girlas. Okay, the wig is turned into a ponytail. We get the best of both worlds, wig and ponytail and some bundles, period. So we're gonna take that same leave-in mixture that I made earlier to get the hair detangled, and we're gonna use that same thing to define the curls yet again, and then also run some mousse through her as well to get that super defined curly look, just like I did in the wig install. And then lastly, we're going to define the ends of the ponytail, and we're going to take some mousse and wrap that around our finger in small sections. You really don't have to do this part, but I just felt like it just added to the realism of the entire look. Like I be telling y'all, every single time I wear my hair like this, people think it's my hair. They're like, oh my gosh, your hair is so beautiful. It's so long. It's so curly. And I'd be like, swing, swing. Thanks, babes. I wear this when I'm going to run errands. I do this style when I am at the gym. I do this when I need a quick, easy, on the go look and I want to look cute. This has been my go-to thing I do every single time I want to look decent, have my hair out of my face, don't feel like wearing a wig, or just want to look put together as a whole. Let me know if y'all try this method and how it works out for you. Also, thumbs up this video for more short hair transformations. And as always, can't can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Upload will be uploaded next week. And as always, love y'all. Bye.
Jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for, 'cause you don't have to try so